Namaste. Hamisha Khush Raho Vidya. I am Jv'n Dr. Lily Trivedi, and today I am going to give a lecture on the germplasm theory. It was given by August Weismann in 1834, who was born and he died in 1914. He was a neo-Darwinian and he proposed the germplasm theory in his book Das Plasma. He said the variation are of two types. Some are congenital, that is, they are born with the organism, and others are acquired during the lifetime of a particular organism. Now, those which are acquired by the lifetime are the basis for the theory of germplasm. To explain that acquired characters cannot be inherited. The main point of this theory is based on the concept that the living bodies are formed of two fundamentally different kind of material, that is, the germplasm and the somatoplasm. Somato means the somatic cells or body cells, and germplasm means the protoplasm such as sperm and ova. The germplasm is responsible for development of reproductive parts, and somatoplasm is responsible for the development of germplasm. In course of time, we see that the germplasm gives rise to new offspring and is continuous in each generation, while the somatoplasm is formed in every generation and is discontinuous. So the germplasm becomes the main confluence of the maternal and paternal streams. Secondly, he also concluded that the somatoplasm is a discontinuous entity, so any variation cannot be inherited. Now, the third point which he said was that the every distinct part of an organism is represented in the germ the sex cell by a separate particle called the determinate. Now, determinate is made up of biophores. Now, according to this, it was further found that it is the nucleus and the chromosome which he was talking about. Now, in the Lamarck's theory of acquired characters, the Weismann theory has the idea of parallel induction. According to his concept, the stimulus stimulates the germplasm and the somatoplasm, and the occurrence of internal stimulus of the germ cell results in heritable variation, and which is through nourishment. The stimulus is the nourishment responsible for the germplasm determinant. So the better the nourishment, the faster and stronger the individual grows. And the lesser the nourishment, the weaker the part or the organism grows. Thus, Weismann assumes the struggle of existence between better nourished and less nourished, and therefore their appearance accordingly. Weismann also gave the hypothesis of germinal selection. He said that the germplasm has no single set of determiners, but a number of set of determiners. So this gave, according to him, was responsible for polymorphism. That it is the environment which decides which set of determinants will express themselves, and thus there are a number of determiners struggling for expression within a germplasm, and only one is selected by environment. There are certain objections to this theory and is mainly criticized for speculativeness and also for the idea of determination and segregation during cleavage and its failure for explaining the asexual reproduction, the regeneration, etc. Now, the significance of Weismann germplasm theory. The idea of continuity and immortality of germplasm theory prepared the ground for continuity of chromosome or DNA from one generation to next. Secondly, this story made ground for understanding the concept of particulate inheritance of Mendel. It also gave a clue about the genes which reside in the chromosome and represent the parts of animal body. The greatest contribution of Weismann's theory was it proposed the division of germplasm and somatoplasm during the cleavage of zygote during embryogenesis. So this was a brief about the germplasm theory. I hope you found my lecture interesting. If you have any query, please give in the comment box. I will resolve it soon. This session was powered by digital version 2.0 of JAYOTI Vidyapeeth Women's University. Namaste.